Okay, so now it's all about unplugging these battery tenders. And boy, if you're a motorcycle enthusiast, car enthusiast, and if you don't plug in your batteries, you're not going to be liking things, because you're going to go to start that vehicle 2-3 months from now, and it's going to be dead. Most likely, not guaranteed, but very good chance. So now let's get the Harley started up. Let's see if I got these things in neutral so you can hear these different noises on these bikes. And I think the Reinhardt, I'm just telling you, Reinhardt thinks the better option. So let's listen to it. Got the crazy dogs out there, so there's that. Now let's listen to the CVO. Reinhardt. This guy, yeah. One button touch, basically. Make sure my bike's in neutral. Here. 121 motor. CVO ST. Take this battery tender off. Got some noise, right? Listen to this shop. Got to move my kerosene here out of the way. Now let's see if this bike's in neutral right here. Did get some rumble here for you today. Is she in neutral? No, she's not. That's not good. So let's get this one here uprighted. And why isn't she in neutral? There she is. Ooh. Wow. Woo. Let's see if this bad boy is in neutral.